Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and to a Christmas decorate with me. Today I'm sharing with you part 1 of our decorations. I'm going to do a part 2 because it's just been taking so long to get everything ready for Christmas. But today I'm going to show you our 2 Christmas trees and our Christmas front porch as well. All of our ornaments and some cleaning as well for the areas that we put them up. The kids got involved. We had such a festive day when we did all of this. So I hope you really enjoy this video. If you do, give it a thumbs up, and if you're new, I would love you to consider subscribing if you like this kind of video. But with all that said, let's just start. So I'm starting out in this corner. If you are new around here, I should probably mention that for the past year we've been renovating our home, so you may see some wires hanging out of the walls and also pipes as well. All of the pipes to the left are for our underfloor heating, and we're really hoping that they'll be hidden with a cupboard before Christmas. Hopefully our carpenter can fit in. But because of that, I'm actually going to put the Christmas tree up here to kind of hide that area a little bit. We have 2 Christmas trees. One is very much a family tree, which is like red and gold, and all of the kids' like homemade ornaments that they've made over the years go onto this tree. Whereas in our front room, we have another tree, which is a bit more aesthetic. It's kind of pink and white. It's not all like homemade ornaments. So this one's actually my favorite, although it's not like Pinterest worthy, Instagram worthy. It holds so many special memories of like the kids' little fingerprints, ornaments they've made at school. I'll show you a few of them. Both of our trees are artificial, and this one, I think it was from Balsam Hill. It comes in 3 pieces. They're very easy to stack on top of each other, and we're just working our way through the branches to fluff them up, because obviously it's been in a box for about 11 months. So once it's all fluffed up, we're going to put the fairy lights on. This is how I store them. I use an old gift wrapping roll to wrap all of the fairy lights around them. Matt's just checking that they're still working, which they are, which is amazing, and he's just going to go around the tree. After we actually filmed this and put the trees up, I saw a TikTok from someone saying it's actually easier to put your lights up and down vertically, so I might try that next year. But this year we're going all the way around, and there you have it. We've got the fairy lights on, looking lovely. Then it's time for our baubles and decorations. I bought this like canvas bauble bag from Amazon as a way to store them, and it's been so handy, especially for ornaments like this that are a little bit more precious. You really want to make sure they don't get crushed or ruined. It's been great for that. And then yeah, me and the kids, we basically put all of the decorations on the tree, trying to like spread them out. As the kids are getting older, they're getting better and better at this. When they were little, I remember they used to just put it all in one spot on the tree. But yeah, this one I got on our wedding day. This one we got last year for our dog Kiki because it was her first Christmas. I tried to get a new kind of Christmas ornament each year on somewhere like Etsy, tried to maybe make it personalized. This one I actually made years ago for the kids. I put a list of what they actually wanted that year and a picture of them as well. I bought the cardboard baubles from Hobbycraft, and then I just used like a glue to seal it all in, and they've lasted really well. But yeah, now I think I'll play you a little bit of Christmas music while we decorate the tree.
Whoa, oh, oh, la da da da, oh, 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 la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da, making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new. 'Cause I missed you, so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da, to come home to me. And
Well done, Jack. That is so cute. Wow.
these are the good times with you.
Okay, so that is our first tree all decorated, and when I filmed this after, it was really bright in this room, but hopefully you can see how it looks. It's not perfect, but it is absolutely perfect to me, if that makes any sense. Then we put our Zara chairs around it with some furry throws on it because Kiki likes to sit on those, and then Matt put some more nails into the fireplace to hang up the stockings. We did have nails in it last year, no idea where they went during the renovation. They must have fallen out, but yeah, we got these stockings from Not on the High Street years and years ago. I actually wanted to get another one for our dog Kiki, but I can't find them anywhere. I'm not sure if the business stopped or what, but I just can't find the exact same one. But anyway, now I'm in our front room. As you can see, it is a total mess in here. This is the next room that we're going to be doing up in the new year. We're going to be carpeting in here. That's why the floor is different, and we're going to be painting the walls, just getting new sofas, a coffee table and stuff like that. This room is pretty much done. We're just going to change the furniture and everything. So first off, I'm just clearing away Kiki's cage. She's 1 now and she actually sleeps upstairs with us now, but I kind of have the cage if we ever nip out. She really relaxes in it, and I think she actually quite likes going in there rather than just being left out in the house. Once I left her out, and when I came back, she had put herself into the cage, so I think she quite enjoys it, so I'm hanging on to it. But anyway, I'm just going to mop and vacuum under where it was, and then I'm going to put out this, I think it's called a tree skirt. I got this on Amazon. It's like a wicker one, sprayed white. Thought I'd just show you it. I really like it, but if you don't put it on first thing, you can't basically lift up the tree and add it. It's really difficult. So I had to kind of remember to do that first. And then this tree I really love. We got it on Amazon a few years ago, but it's pre-lit. So as soon as you plug it in, the lights just come on. So you don't have to mess around with fairy lights. And I really do like that. If we ever replace the other tree, I'll probably do the same, to be honest. So again, I'm just going to fluff out all of the branches. And then when you put on the next section on top, you basically plug it in and then the lights come on, and so on with the last section. Again, it's 3 sections. But yeah, I'm just going to go ahead, fluff it all up, and then you'll see in a minute that all the ornaments for this tree are pink and white.
Be you and me, hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh, la da da da, oh, 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 la da da da. Making our Christmas memories. Yes, these are the good times with you. Don't even care what we do if I spend it with you. Just you and nobody else. It's so good to see you again. To see you again. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, yeah. I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories.
Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and decorate the tree. I actually did this one when all the kids were at school. This one's a bit more boring for them to decorate, so I thought they wouldn't mind. And I put on my absolute favorite Christmas film, which is Love Actually. I love that film. I love how it's all about love. I'm a Pisces and definitely a romantic, so I watch it every year. I'll probably watch it again while I wrap presents. And actually that opening speech of the film we had read out at our wedding. That's how much I love that film. So yeah, I'm just going to add the star, which was from Cox and Cox. A lot of the ornaments actually were, including the bell garland, and then the pink ones were probably just from like Tesco's or Sainsbury's. I know they were really inexpensive. I think they were like £4 for a big box of them. Then with the leftover ornaments, I like to display them in a vase like this. I'll use like battery powered fairy lights and then mix them in with the baubles and just make sure that the switch is towards the top of the vase so that you can turn them off and on. The battery powered fairy lights that we have, when you turn them on, they stay on for 6 hours and then they just turn themselves off. So if you do it at like 4 o'clock when it gets dark around where we live, they'll kind of last throughout the evening, and it's just like a nice little extra kind of glow in this room. Then I'm just going to sort out the couches a little bit. They have really had it. We've had them forever. I actually gave birth on this couch. So I'm just going to shake it all off, sort out the throws, and then we have like accumulated quite a few Christmas cushions over the years. So I'm going to display a few of those, and then the other ones I'm going to actually put on the kids' beds when I do decorate upstairs as well. So yeah, I'm just going to do that now.
Well, I'm all for Christmas, all the happy smiles and the wishes, and I want it all from the lights to the mistletoe. Tell me one thing, is there anything that you're missing? I will keep you warm as soon as you remove that snow. Whatever we do, we will be alright. These holiday wonders will open your mind. May all your wishes tonight come true. The love I lived, the dream I knew. This Christmas I only wanna be close to you. Whatever we do, we will be alright. These holiday wonders will open your mind. May all your wishes tonight come true. The love I lived, the dream I knew.
And while I was decorating that room and vacuuming and mopping and making it feel a lot nicer and cleaner, Matt was doing the decorations on the front of our house. We moved into this house in 2020, and when we did, we had someone make these decorations for us. So I'll link her in the description if you are in the Essex area, but she basically put chicken wire onto the areas of our house and then stuck all the decorations onto that. So now we can just take them off, put them back on year after year. So this is the third Christmas that we've actually had these decorations. We really like the colors. They're like blue and silver, and then Matt's gonna add in these white kind of sticks back into them this year, and sometimes we'll add a few new baubles if there's any gaps, stuff like that. And we also put fairy lights within it as well, and I just love the way that it looks. I feel like it's really festive, and it looks really festive at night. So I'll show you some footage of what it looks like when it's all lit up at night. But we also got some other lights last year from a place called Lights for Fun. We worked with them on Instagram, and we chose these light up stars, and they're really bright, they're really effective. So we're going to hang 2 of those either side of the porch as well. Those Acer trees, it's funny, they have like no leaves left on them now, but when we filmed this they were all nice and red. Then Matt was also just going to leaf blow the porch area, a bit of dirt and stuff left over from our autumnal porch. And then I got a new like doormat for this year. I got a really simple one that literally just says Merry Christmas on it. There were loads in the shop that were like really green or red, but I just wanted something very simple because we have got like blue decorations. These two nutcrackers, the kids call them Norman the Nutcracker. We're going to put one of those either side of the door. And then this is the wreath that kind of goes with the decorations on the front porch, but there wasn't any blue in them. So I bought a pack of just blue baubles and I'm just adding them into this wreath just to add a little bit more to it. And then I'm going to hang that on our front door just with a wreath hook. I got this on Amazon. It's a great way to hang it if you don't want to put any nails into your door. So it just literally goes over the top if I can get it the right way around, and you can just hook it straight onto that. Yeah, so there you have it. That is how we're decorating our porch this year. Very similar to last year, except for I think I made the wreath last year, but I quite like the way that this one has turned out, and it looks really nice at night. I'll add some footage in a sec, and I know it's a bit extra. Sometimes I get messages from people saying, oh, it's a bit extra, but I love it, and I'm really pleased that we can reuse it year after year. Those two little trees I should have mentioned, they also light up. They were also from Lights for Fun as well. Yeah, and that is it for our porch and for this video. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and I am so excited for the festive period. I have loads more videos coming, so thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys!